Hold it up.
Hi, you're watching Signpost Kids.
We're very glad you joined us today.
Are you ready to learn about colorful fruits? Let's get started. Katie, can you please pass me the yellow lemon?
This is the yellow lemon.
I'm going to cut my yellow lemon on my orange plate. Katie, can you pass me the green pear?
This is the green pear.
I'm going to cut the green pear on my yellow plate.
I'm going to cut a kiwi on my purple plate.
Katie, please pass me the yellow banana. I'm going to cut the yellow banana on my red plate.
Katie, can you pass me the orange? I'm going to cut the orange on my green plate. I'm going to cut my red strawberry on my purple plate.
Hold it up.
I'm going to cut the orange cantaloupe on my purple plate.
Thanks, Katie.
Jojo, please pass this to Carlei.
Thank you, Katie.
Thank you, Katie. Here you go, Jojo. Thanks, Katie. This all looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Mm.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe.